Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change fonts in Discord. All right, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, go to the website textrick.com. Once you're there, you'll see that it lets you create different types of fonts like stylish, cool, and more. Start by pasting your text into the text box. After pasting it, select a style from the list. Here, choose Cute. Once you click on it, you'll see all the cute font options available on the site. Browse through them and select one you like, for example, the circle font. Click on Copy, then go to your Discord app, open the chat box, paste the text, and press Enter. As you can see, your text will now appear in the selected font. You can also change your text color. For example, go back to the website and in the top right corner, click on Discord Color Text. Once you're there, you'll see a text box. Simply paste your text into it. Next, select the part of the text you want to color. For example, select a specific word or line, click on Color, and then click Apply. As you can see, the color will be applied only to that selected part. You can repeat this for other parts of the text and even choose different colors. You can also select the entire text and apply multiple colors if you want. After that, click Copy for Discord, paste the text into Discord, and that's it. So that's basically how you can change fonts in Discord. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.